The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is almost here, and we've just gotten our hands on a ton of exclusive promo materials, including some official videos that give us one of the clearest previews yet of what Samsung is about to launch. Right away, the design stands out. The Tab S11 Ultra shows up in two sleek colors, grey and silver, though Samsung might call them something different at launch. In the promos, you can also see the keyboard accessory, the S Pen, and a really clean flat display with razor-thin bezels. But what's new this time around is that semicircle notch at the top of the screen, a design choice that immediately makes this tablet recognizable. Turning it around, the back has two cameras that protrude directly from the panel. The magnetic strip is truly gone, while the corners are slightly rounded to make the device more comfortable in the hand. You'll also notice pogo pins for accessories, keeping the Ultra in that do-everything productivity zone Samsung has been pushing. Now when it comes to specs, the leaked promo materials really give away a lot. The Tab S11 Ultra is confirmed to have a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with up to 1000 nits of brightness outdoors and 1600 nits in HDR. The smaller Tab S11 gets mentioned too, with an 11-inch panel, but the Ultra is clearly the showpiece here. Performance is also getting a big lift this year. Samsung is promising a 24% CPU boost, 27% stronger GPU, and a 33% jump in NPU performance compared to the Tab S10 Ultra, which should mean smoother multitasking and more powerful AI features. And speaking of AI, Samsung is leaning heavily into that this time, with Google Gemini in action alongside Samsung's own apps. One promo even shows DeX projecting onto a monitor, pushing that full desktop experience. Under the hood, Samsung is equipping the Tab S11 Ultra with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor. It's paired with up to 16GB of RAM, and the display resolution clocks in at 2960 by 1848 pixels, making this one of the sharpest panels on any tablet right now. Powering everything is an 11,600 mAh battery with 45 watts wired charging support, while the camera system includes a 12-megapixel main and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide on the back. Software-wise, you'll be getting Android 16 right out of the box, with One UI 8.0 layered on top. Pricing leaks suggest the Wi-Fi only model will start around $1,200, which is definitely not cheap, but considering the massive display, AI smarts, and the performance upgrades, Samsung clearly wants this to be the ultimate productivity tablet. The company has officially announced that its next Unpacked event is scheduled to be held virtually on the 4th of September, where they'll unveil the Galaxy Tab S11 series, alongside the Galaxy S25 FE. But until then, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.